In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create MX records in GoDaddy. If you're setting up professional email, MX records tell the internet where to deliver messages for your domain. We'll walk through the GoDaddy interface and use their guided tool so you can point your email to the provider you use, like Google Workspace or another external service. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open the account menu by clicking your username. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Find the domain you want to set up for email. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you've picked the right one before moving on. Next, open its DNS settings by clicking DNS. This brings you to the DNS Management page, which is where your domain's records live. On this page, look for the option to create MX records. GoDaddy provides a streamlined setup, so click Create Now to launch their MX record tool. Because we're routing email to a service outside of GoDaddy, select Create MX records for an external email service. This tells GoDaddy you want to use a third-party email provider rather than their built-in options. You'll see a search field where you can look up your email provider. Type the name of the service you use. Most major providers are listed, and choosing one will automatically fill in the correct MX values. For example, if you're using Google Workspace, select it from the results. This saves time and prevents typos, since the priority and server values are pre-configured for you. After selecting your provider, click Continue. GoDaddy will prepare the necessary changes and add the MX records to your domain's DNS for you. That's all you need to do in the interface. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't switch over instantly. Domain updates typically start taking effect within an hour, but it can take up to 48 hours to fully update across the globe. During this propagation window, some senders might still route to your old settings while others use the new ones. That's normal. Once the changes have propagated, your email should begin routing through the provider you selected. If you're setting up a brand new mailbox, follow your email provider's onboarding to finish creating user accounts and mailboxes. And if you already have mailboxes there, you're all set. Your domain's MX records now point to the right place.